Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating an autoclicker in Java involves leveraging the robot class, which allows you to simulate mouse actions programmatically. First, you will need to set up your development environment with the Java Development Kit and an integrated development environment ID like Eclipse or IntelliJ. Start by importing the necessary libraries and initializing the robot instance. You can then define the clicking behavior by specifying the location of the mouse cursor and the frequency of clicks using a loop and timing mechanisms like thread.sleep. To enhance usability, consider adding a user interface with buttons to start and stop the auto-clicking process. Implementing keyboard listeners can also allow users to toggle the auto-clicker with a specific key. Always remember to include safeguards to ensure the auto-clicker can be halted easily, preventing unintentional continuous clicking that could interfere with other applications.